How was your sleep? Daddy went outside to buy food. Because we're going to have our breakfast here and then we're going outside. Kai, you haven't pooped yet. Good morning. I wish you could poop today. Before we go outside.
Because yesterday I pooped what?
Yeah, you pooped already. Yeah. I wish Kai also pooped na. Good morning. Hey, say good morning to mommy first. How about you, Kai? Mahulog ka, mahulog. Kaya. How about you, Kai? Say good morning. Good job. You always say good morning when you wake up in the morning. Na para sa aming lakad. Ay, the other way pala yung train. Para yan. I think so, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Kai. Ate. Just showing you that there's a double-decker train here. Ang galing. First time na makita. Is it? Sigat siya pang girl. Now we're here.
Panda.
Panda. Ate, panda.
Panda. With a baby panda.
Okay lang. Tayo, Tony. Together with Mommy. Papuntang Iweno. Pa rin ako. Hi, guys. Sobrang init.
Huh?
Choke.
Malamig nga eh.
Malamig dito.
Sarap.
Ngayon, kahit pa paano. Oo. Araw. Not your typical Singapore weather.
Yeah, transition.
Yeah. Yan lang. So, oo. Let's go. Saan si ate? Nakit pa kami doon. Medyo umiinit na rin, Daddy. Grabe, tindi ng araw eh. Ayun. Kita niya araw. Bagay. No, walking na muddy puddle. Turista mode. Daddy. Turista mode. Bakit? Maybe look, it's a temple. Looks like a temple to Mommy. Oh, look ate. There. There.
Okay. Pakahawak ko sa ano? Sa shorts.
Baka puno na.
Hindi hawakan ko eh.
Oo, careful. You cannot play, just watch.
You want to see the frog? It's a frog.
Oh, let's go here. Here, follow Mommy.
Daddy,
We're
we're here.
here. Where's Daddy? Name is Daddy?
Saan na?
Where's the playground?
There's no playground. This is a park. Ay, there's a playground. But let's... What is it, Kai? What, a swimming pool? You're so funny. Are you going to swim there?
That's a pond.
Yeah, I don't think the pond is safe to swim. Eh. Ate first. Take your... Learn how to take your time. I take your turn. Ate, say hello.
Hello.
Gusto doon sa swing. Kaso, ay nako. Aming tao. Yeah. We are in Owena Park. Lamig. Kahit mainit yung kahit may malakas sa sinag ng araw. Yay! Thank you. Kapag Japan din.
Wow. Very good place.
Okay.
Azuma.
Hey, Daddy, go.
Tara. Kasi mga bata kasi.
Eto, ate, ay Daddy, yung may eye shave sila. Hindi pa nila natatry yan. Ayan, eye shave. Yan, eye shave. Tayo natikman natin sila, hindi pa. Tapos may mga Daddy, street food. OMG, may nakita siya.
Bird.
Oh, it's a bird.
Nakabukog.
Yeah, we can eat. Dito picture gusto nyo. Ayun. Hold, Mami? Ayun, Daddy, mayroon sila, yung ganyan, yung mag-offer na something. Daddy, crab! Yeah, Daddy. Ayun sila, mga We can sit here, Daddy. Yeah, if we eat, yeah. Gusto mo?
I'm still not at home.
Mommy sanggal.
How about drinks?
We need to ride.
Yes, thank you. Please come back here 2 p.m. Okay?
So, ride kami. Ay, nakakabahan. Akin na. Gusto mo lagay kasi
No, I'm mag-slide eh.
Oo, magsa-slide. Dito sa sa part ko. Hello, together.
Daddy, feel
how's it
pedal.
feel?
Wala, paano tayo?
Bakit?
Hindi tayo Ang hirap kasi.
We are here
Ate is a
in
good driver.
Owena Park. And Ate Tony is the one driving our swan boat. Ay, Daddy, kay si Daddy na stress.
Sikip kasi.
Thank you.
Kaya maging malaking tao.
Ayun.
You enjoy it? You said you want to
Dito lang
ride
muna
this one,
kami.
right?
Yeah.
Huh?
So, where do you want to go, Ate? Let's go.
There.
Okay, there.
There. Daddy. There.
But wait lang ate, we will hit someone. No?
Yeah. Kabanggaan na sila dun. Hey, those. Okay, Mami. Kai. Hello.
Hello.
Don't hold it.
Baka mawala yung ihi nito pag kumain siya ng shave ice kasi baka magsipag po.
Okay lang. Minsan lang to, Daddy.
Hey, you eat like this.
You want chicken? But that's not chicken. You're eating a crab. There's Daddy. Oo. With the shaved ice.
May
Yummy!
matalim yung ano ha.
Hindi
Ah, kay. No. Eat like here. May
Daddy.
sa'yo. Hati tayo. Sige.
Daddy, do you know Kai want to always have
Sige
a
lang,
cup
ikaw.
and then mommy
Ano lang to?
wants it?
Yan na. Kaya.
If you want, I can shell for you.
Tapon na nga ako eh. Ayun no.
Yun naman, merong ano.
Oo.
May kahon doon. Ayan.
First time ng mga bata maka-experience ng shave ice. Ate, what's that?
She likes.
Shave
Shave
ice.
Wala na, naglawa na itong isang
It's okay, Daddy. May pamalit tayo. Kai, what do you call that one? Say, shave ice. Very
How
good.
about the red lollipop candy?
Ay, bang naubusan tayo. Wait, issue bilhin lang tayo.
Mommy. This one.
We went there, ate, oh. See? There. That pond, you know? We went there.
I'm white
Mm-mm.
because I call it temper.
Mm-mm.
Yay!
Then there's ate. Hello.
Whoa!
Namin alam kung nasaan na kami. Okay na station pa rin pala to. Pero I mean, what side? Yeah, yun nga, exactly. Dito kami, maghanap kami ng pagkain. Later, we will eat.
Pa kayo. Stop shouting.
Oh, there's a train. Parang walang train doon sa ano eh, no?
Ha? Yeah.
Mga batang gachapon. You are gachapon kids. Bilangin natin kung ilang beses sila makakuha ng laruan dito sa mga gachapon machines. Is there their second? Huh? Yung ask daddy ah.
Daddy heart. Daddy heart.
You go to daddy, go. You ask daddy. So, parang pangalawa. It's a chance, ate. It's a game of chance. Yeah. Let's go.
Kay loves the flower, no?
Yeah.
Wow.
The flower is sleeping kay look. Sa loob niya. Dito may mga pagkain doon. Na parang street food.
Kaso kakain na tayo pa.
Alright. Dede, oh. Kita mo? You know.
はい、筋子は1000円、鮭は1000円。はい、1000円でよ。カツオは1000円。
Oo. Something to eat for our lunch. No, take over na raw ni Kai. Ah, careful not to,
May excursion sila. May 28.
our lunch, late lunch. Kai to, better eat your food, ha?
Yang.
Yeah, order ko. Ay, hindi makita. Oh my gosh. Daddy. Yum. Pagod kaming mga magulang. Galing na ate magsayaw. Woo! Nagsayaw sa Japan. Iti-tiktok ko to.
isa wala. Kay look at ate, oh. Let's go, ate. Wow, high five.
Panda. Si Panda. Dada. Panda na.
You want to sleep now? We're going home na. Kapag naman siguro natin sa patulogin kay 30 minutes. Oh. Ayan na, kailangan ng cellphone.
Ah, give it to me.
Ano to? Ba't may
Hindi ko alam.
Dito.
Ah.
Okay.
Bibigyan ng sabon si Mami.
100 yen.
Okay, dito tayo.
SGD.
So, hindi kami marunong mag-ano.
We're gonna put it loosely. Wala na kaming
Ate, that's soap.
wala na kaming puti-puti. Ala, baka may manghawa.
Hindi yan. Itali mo yun. Sige.
Second night. Ay, third night na ba? Second night. Second night pala. Second night here in Tokyo. We're having dinner. Before that, we need to go to the laundry. Oh, we're waiting for our laundry here. Ingay yung grabe. Gantay kami. After nito, kailangan namin siyang i-dryer. Hindi na malapit kami sa isang washing or laundry mat pala. Yay! Hi kids! Loud?
Mami will transfer it. That's it. Sige. Thank you. Let's go. Ang malat niya ito. Thank you. Ilapit mo kasi.
Basket.
Arakawa City. Yeah. Yeah, you won.
Hold me. We will go
But
out.
we need to go up na. Here's our place. Tara.
Ba't mo na nagpupunta?
Easy. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Yeah, we're still eating here our dinner while daddy gets our clean laundry.
No, our clothes.
Clean clothes. Okay. Sarap. Main.
Not clean clothes. Clothes.
Panalo to. I love this one. Oh, sarap. Promise. So, ito masarap din. Yung mga kids na enjoy na lang pagkain. Yum, yum. Very good, guys.